Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to cancel your Adobe subscriptions in PC. So for example, you might be subscribed for Acrobat Reader or Acrobat Pro or any other, Photoshop or Adobe Premiere, for any other subscriptions you might be having in Adobe. So if you want to cancel the subscriptions, right, what you need to do is you need to go to your profile. First, log in with adobe.com. It can be anything like Acrobat adobe.com. So any website, just go and log in and then go to my plan. Okay, click on your profile and then my plan. So when you go to when you check this my plan, right, here you can see the payment details and what you have subscribed for. That information you will be seeing here. If you want to change the payment also, you can change that. But right now I'm going to cancel the subscription. So I need to click on this manage plan. So under manage plan, right, so here you can see end your free trial. So I'm going to, if you have active subscriptions, you can see that end your subscriptions like that. So now I have a free trial, so I'm going to cancel that. Cancel your free trial. So enter your password. So you can give the reason. Okay, you can give the reason and then continue. Again, we need to click on this continue. So I'm going to choose no thanks. But they are offering me the next 7 days of your current free trial. Okay, so if you want, you can accept that, or else you can just cancel it. Okay, so I'm going to accept because after 7 days I'm going to just cancel it. After trial ends, April 26 will be, they will be debiting this amount. Okay, your free trial will extend it until April 26. Cool. So if you want, you can utilize it. Billing starts after your free trial ends. So I'm going to give agree and continue. Your free trial has been extended for 7 more days. Super cool. So these are my details. And if you want to cancel it, right, you can cancel that. So you'll be getting the confirmation message for cancellation. I don't know everyone will get this 7-day extended free trial, but I got it. Guys, there is a tricky part. So while subscribing, right, I have this Adobe stock also, Adobe stock subscription also added. Free trial is not extended to that. So free trial 1 day is left. So you need to log in with your account.adobe.com and then go to your profile. You can see this information. Okay. So they are doing the tricky part here. So you need to click on this manage plan. Okay. And here I'm going to give this cancel your free trial. Cancel your free trial or cancel your subscriptions. Okay. If you have active subscriptions. So I'm going to put on this, it's too expensive, and I'm going to click on this continue and change my plan, or I can give no thanks. So I'm going to give continue. So I'm going to choose that, no thanks, out of stock. So again, I need to click on this confirm cancellation. Actually, this is a tricky part from Adobe, so just be careful whatever you are subscribing. I got an email also. So my subscription is successfully cancelled, friends. So I'm going to close this. Now I'm going to verify this page. Now I have free trial for 7 days. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.